Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. I think it's day 5 now. I don't even know. I think so. Or day 6. It's day 5, I think. Well, anyway, I just got a bunch of packages while I was working. I just kept on hearing boxes being left at my door. So I'm on a break. So the first thing I got was I just got my Canon ink. So that's nothing. Like, I need ink for my printer. So Influencer. I don't want to shake this box, but I'm just gonna flip it over. Hopefully it doesn't spill anything. I got the Cream of Nature. It says Hi Honey, Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. So I want to see what's in there, and it's from Influencer. So let's see what's in there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Did I get it? Maybe I didn't. Hold on. Okay, I got it now. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. All right, so as you guys see, there's a bunch of things in here, so I'm sure you guys. So I actually have this product already, and I might just give this away as a giveaway thing, to be honest, because I already know how it works for me. You guys know gels, but I got the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco Perfect Edges, 24-hour extra hold. I already own one of these, so yeah, I might just give this away in a giveaway because I already own it, and just do my review because I already know how it worked. It didn't hold that great. Okay, so here is the pamphlet. As always, I love this girl's picture. It says Curl Up Honey. So it says, congratulations, you've been selected to try some of our fan favorites from the Cream of Nature Pure Honey and Argan Oil from Morocco collections. So I got the moisturizing dry defense shampoo and conditioner, the not away leave-in detangler, the shrinkage defense curl activated, and the perfect edges 24-hour extra hold, which I just showed you guys. So this is the not away leave-in detangler from the Cream of Nature Honey. I hope you guys can see. I'm currently on my floor because yeah. This is the curl activator. Oh, this is a big size. This is 10.5 fluid ounces. The shrinkage defense curl activator. I want to try this because you know me and shrinkage. Let's see how that works. I also have, so the shampoos, I guess they didn't have the physical shampoo, I'm not sure. So all the shampoo, the shampoo and the conditioner, so they came in packets. So I got 2 of the shampoos, the moisturizing dry defense shampoo from the Pure Honey line, just 2 of the same things. So I probably can only use this for like 2 wash days probably, and that would probably be it. And then I have 2 of the conditioners. Okay, so that is that. So now I'm going to show you guys my next package that I got from Carol's daughter. Products first. So Black Friday deals, I was telling you guys in another vlog, I don't remember what day, but I got some Carol's daughter. So as you can see, it says Carol's daughter, like they put a seal over it. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. Ooh, they must have taped this really tight. Okay, got it. So actually, this is the first time I ever purchased from Carol's daughter. I've actually never tried any Carol's daughter products ever. So this will be my first time. Like I told you guys, had I known I was getting like Cream of Nature, I probably wouldn't have bought anything else. But this was the only brand I bought Black Friday, so I don't feel too bad. So came with this nice Carol's daughter wrapping, and then they put the bubble wrap. Okay, and then there's stuff in here. It's a cute little box. So this is the vanilla shea butter olive clove. I believe the shampoo and conditioner is in here. I got the big size from the vanilla, what's it, hold on, the black vanilla line. Yeah, I like this box. It's cute. And then I also got the mini. Remember I told you guys that I had the leave-in and I have the shampoo and the leave-in that I won from a giveaway, but since they had a set, I just got the shampoo and conditioner as well, the small size, so from the black vanilla line. And they also gave a free product, so I chose the cocoa cream coil enhancing moisture butter, which is just one of those small packets. And let me just quickly show you guys. So I just got like I said, I got the bigger thing. So it's just the same thing, just I was gonna say a bigger size. Hold on 1 second. So let's see if I can open this. Okay, I got it. So yeah, so I got the conditioner from the Black Vanilla, and I got the shampoo, the big size. So that was what I got from Cume Nature. And then the only thing I'm waiting for is the Beauty of Rashida products that I purchased, but that was it in terms of Black Friday. This Black Friday, I'm kind of proud of myself. Didn't spend too much. Like I said, all these products that I just showed you from Curls Daughter, I only paid $12 in total, and that was including the shipping costs. So it wasn't bad at all. Okay, the next thing that I have is from H&M. I wasn't going to shop from there, but I was really looking for, what was I looking for? I forgot. To be honest, I forgot what I got from H&M because I put this order out so long ago. Okay, this is my receipt. So I got 6 items. So I definitely know I got like the same shirt. So I did get some sweatpants because I always feel like I wear the same sweatpants. I don't have as many as I think I do. Hopefully it fits. I should not rip this like this, but I already did it. So if I gotta return it, why do they look so small? Actually, no, they're actually really bulky. So I got them in a large, but they look fine. Because that's the thing. Sometimes I can wear large, extra large, depends on the pants. But it's just a gray sweats. And then I got a couple of t-shirts. They were having undergarments on sale, so I got that as well. And then I got, how many of these t-shirts did I get? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I have 6 items because it seems, oh, I thought I was missing an item, but it's right here. Okay, so yeah, literally guys, I got the same shirt. It's kind of crazy, but I feel like I'm always wearing the same shirt. So I got the same shirt. I'm gonna show you guys. It says love on them, and they're all the same shirt, just different colors. So I got one in like a 2 different pink ones, but this is one pink, so it says love there. I got this other pink, but the love is in white. All these I got in a, what size did I get this? Why did they send me this in an extra large? I did not order this in extra large, but luckily it's not, it doesn't look too big, so it should be fine. And it might shrink in the washer anyway. So I also got it in black, and this one has white love writing. And then I also got it a gray, yeah, a gray one. The love writing is not in cursive though in this one. This one is like not in cursive. I don't know how to explain it. So it's in gray. And yeah, love is over here. So those are the 6 items that I got from H&M, and that's all, concludes all the things. I do have a few more packages that I'm waiting on, but that's all I got. So I really got these shirts because they were on sale. I remember, oh, I think I have the package right here. No, this is to return. Does it say? Oh, they don't say it here, but I know for sure the shirts were like $3.99. That's why I was like, oh, I might as well buy like a few of them. And the sweatpants, I think it was about $10-11. I don't remember. And then the undergarments were like 2 for $20 or something like that. So I got that. So yeah, that's, I was gonna film this in landscape, but it wasn't working too well, so I'm in my bathroom. Pretty much I wanted to quickly show my nighttime skin routine. So first thing I use your skin rescue cream cleanser. So I've already used this to wash my face. I've been using Dickinson's for a while, and now I'm on this one, the hydrating alcohol free. This one has rose water in it. gonna use this mask. This is not a daily mask, but I got this mask and I've been trying to just finish it because I try not to waste products if I can. I didn't really see a huge difference using the Boskia charcoal pore pudding mask, and it's a intensive wash off treatment. This two-part pore pudding powered by black and white charcoal minimizes the appearance of pores while balancing the skin. Now I will say, maybe because I didn't use it back to back, that I don't really see the results. That's probably why. It says scoop, use it and leave it on for 15-20 minutes and then rinse clean. For external use only. It does not say how many days, so I think you can use this every day from what I'm seeing, because you know some masks you can't, depending on what type of mask it is. Like if it's an exfoliating mask, you cannot use that every day. Like I said, I know skincare, but there's still some new things, and I'm gonna use this to apply it on my face. Okay, I went to go check, but yeah, it's actually 8:28, so I was right in the ballpark. It's about to be 8:30, and work tomorrow. Is it bad? But I just can't wait for it to be Friday. I don't know, I'm always so tired, but it's because I try, like, I feel like I've gotten better in terms of waking up early, but, I mean, sleeping early, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I think it was Monday, I went to sleep like at 2 a.m. and I can't be doing that if I'm gonna be up at 7 something in the morning. This is work. So, yeah, I gotta get myself together. Anyway, so I'm gonna leave this for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna put 15 minutes because I'm sure it's been 5 minutes already. So it's 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys. But I don't think anything's gonna change in one night. You know, you have to be consistent, especially with your skincare. Make sure you drink your water. Because I know there's, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.